everyone, welcome to Meet the Green Need in Way Kambas, Indonesia.
So I felt that sense of strong community helping each other.
Interesting. It kind of makes sense now that I think about it, because you need the community to be on board or else this project isn't going to sustain itself.
The program and activity is being programmed is very, very good and organized.
I'm sure that will be memorable the rest of my life.
Konservasi itu tidak bisa berdiri sendiri, jadi butuh kolaborasi antara pemerintah, masyarakat, dan perusahaan. Dan kebetulan ada James & Johnson yang mendukung kegiatan konservasi di Way Kambas ini sangat mendukung manfaatnya bagi kelestarian taman nasional dan juga manfaat bagi masyarakat sekitar.